So I kind of know the answer to this. How important is it to get your vehicle inspected? It is incredibly important. And why are so many drivers avoiding this procedure? I could tell you a couple of reasons also. But joining us this morning is Island Traffic Motor Vehicle Inspector Nicholas Taylor, and Education and Information Officer for the Road Safety Unit that you won't hear from this morning, Dante Matthews. Him just come to sit down beside Nicholas.
That's true.
Morning to you both.
Morning.
Welcome to Smile Jamaica. Nicholas, let me start with you because the last couple of years, even though cars were still inspected, I did mine, you guys weren't driving it.
No, we weren't driving.
Yeah, you kind of just tell us what to do. So you just say, put your foot on the brake and stuff. Why that can't happen right through?
Well, a lot of the inspections, we were doing a Saturday inspection, and under the law, we were supposed to could drive test the vehicle, but because of COVID and the restrictions and the cleanliness of the vehicle and all those things, we kind of held back on the driving of the vehicle.
But I found when I did it that way, everything was fine. I mean, it was actually easier for me because me and you talked about this already. I kind of don't like some, not you personally, but I kind of don't like how some of you guys drive the vehicles because I don't drive the way you guys drive on the depot. So why?
Well, we have taken some measures to address the officers, to have them instruct them on how to drive the vehicles and different procedures, the figure 8. So we get to do a left and a right turn and how to apply the brakes and not to drive the vehicle so fast, not a matter of speed.
Okay. So you're resuming the test driving of vehicles today?
Today.
Yes.
Why? Dante, let me ask you.
I'm glad you are asking.
All right, so, in March 2020, when the pandemic just hit, that decision was taken to, have customers drive their vehicles and the inspectors would, assess what they're doing. But now with, the country going back to a, semblance of normalcy, we are now moving to have the inspectors, resume driving the vehicles, because what this does is it helps us to understand, the issues with the vehicles, because sometimes you may ask the customer to drive the vehicle and then maybe they'll say, probably they'll drive it in such a way to make it seem as if things are doing well, when the inspector can actually feel it out for themselves and say, that your brake needs, something's wrong with your brake and things like that. So effective today, all depots will resume the test driving of vehicles during the inspection process.
Why are so many drivers, Nicholas, why do they not want to come to the depot?
Well, I guess because of the stringent tests that we do, and they know that if they come to the depot, most vehicles that we're going to get their failure.
Okay.
So what we do is we fail the vehicles, we tell them what to correct, to come back, when to come back. Some drivers don't like that. And a lot of persons now have the heavily tinted windscreen, which is now becoming a big thing. And we start to refuse the fitness for that.
Wow.